Tested. Hello, I am Rayan Kiwan. Welcome to Kiwan Robotics Center and Rayan Kiwan Electronics YouTube channel. Hello, I am Rayan Kiwan. Welcome to Kiwan Robotics Center and Rayan Kiwan Electronics YouTube channel. Hello, welcome again to Rayan Kiwan YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a simple recorder using MIT App Inventor. Also I will add for it camera to take a photo, also a date picker. So let's get started. First I need the bottom. I'm gonna first put the text to label for label. I'm gonna place it at the middle. Like a title, I'm gonna make it so the width it will be fill parents. Now I'm gonna change the title and put it Kiwan Robotics Center. After that I'm gonna change the color to cyan. After that, I'm gonna rename the bottom to record. Then I'm gonna add a second bottom. I will name it stop. Here also I will rename the bottom to be record. And another one to be stop. The same process I will make it here. I rename the bottom play, the record will be play, and I will change the text to play. After that I need a bottom here, take a photo, Second, I rename the bottom to take a photo. Okay, after that, I need here a date picker. Then after that, I will move forward, downward, and pick up camera, layer, and sound recorder. And that's all. So now let's move forward to the blocks, coding by blocks. First, one record button is clicked. I need to start the recording. Then I will copy, I can replicate it. One stop button. Now I'm gonna move forward and call stop. After that, play. So now one, I need from this point, I will move forward. One sound recorded. After sound recorded, I need to move forward and pick up this block and set the player. Set the player source instead of loop. I need it source to get sound. After that, one play I will move forward to photo. Take a photo. One photo is clicked. I'm gonna call big picture, and after that one date picker touchdown. I will pick up date picker to set display for here. Okay. I'm gonna also duplicate it to pick up month. Here I will pick up where is the month. Okay, this is the month, and also here. So I'm gonna place it like this, and now our application is ready to test it, to be tested. Now let's build up and scan the QR code. Please, if you like such projects, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you. Now let's test this project. So I'm waiting to scan the QR code. Okay, now I'm gonna scan it. And that's all.
Test it. Hello, I am Rayan Kiwan. Welcome to Kiwan Robotics Center and Rayan Kiwan Electronics YouTube channel.
Hello, I am Rayan Kiwan. Welcome to Kiwan Robotics Center and Rayan Kiwan Electronics YouTube channel.